guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today I am doing another Temu haul, only this time it's clothing. I'm so excited because I definitely needed some clothes. Mine have been wearing out and I've been wearing clothing during projects and just ruining so much of my clothes. So I'm excited to see what it's like to get clothing from Temu. I was blown away with how much clothing they have. So I'm really hoping that it's true to size. I'm really nervous doing an unboxing with clothing because for me, it just depends on the brand. I always have to order different top sizes than bottom sizes, and it always just depends on the brand. And even within the brand, it depends on what item I'm ordering, because sometimes I can be a large, sometimes I'm a medium, sometimes I'm an extra large. It just really depends. This is $150 worth of clothing. If you haven't heard of Temu, I'm pretty sure everyone's heard of Temu by this point, and I'm one of the last. So if you download the Temu app using the link down below, you get $100 worth of coupons. It depends on what you spend is how much you get off. Use my code JOIN8229 to get the $100 worth of coupon. Temu is an online marketplace, kind of like Amazon, and it matches you with online sellers. I love that they accept PayPal, so that way I know that my information is safe. It took about 2 weeks for my items to come from when I placed my order. Something I forgot to mention in my last video, which I really didn't even know last time, and this really blows me away. I'm excited to have this for clothing, is it says Temu price protection. If you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund of the price difference from the time you bought the item to when the price dropped. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that they offered that the last time I did an unboxing. So that's pretty interesting because I've noticed a lot of things change in price. So I'm gonna have to try that one out because I love a deal. So this is $150 worth of clothes, and I'm going to unbox on camera, and I'll try on as many items as I can on camera. Okay, so the first thing I ordered was a hat. So I just thought this hat was really cute. Thought it was adorable. I don't wear too many hats, but this would be cute with a bun, I think. And I don't feel like doing my hair, and I need to wash it. Yeah. So they have a lot of cute hats, and it actually, I have a really big head, so it fit. I like that you can tighten it on the back. So they have some cute hats. You should check them out. On a day where you don't want to wash your hair, you know. I love the packaging. Everything came in a box, and each item is in one of these little plastic baggies. This top we'll see. It's pretty cute. I thought was cute for summer. So far, I'm loving those two items. This doesn't have a size, but I will link the items down below for you guys so you can see what I ordered. So I ordered some just drawstring shorts. I wanted some comfy shorts to wear around the house, and these looked really cute. I think I ordered, oh wow. For some reason, I ordered an XXL. I always have this idea that anything that comes from China is like baby Gap sizes, but apparently that's not the case. Everybody says they ran true to size, and I didn't know that when I was ordering. And comfy, flowy material, and they're longer. They're not like booty shorts. They're longer, so I do like that. Okay, moving on. This is an extra large. I thought it was bright and fun. I don't remember ordering this, but this is funny. It's It's really comfy already. I can feel that. I love sweaters, so this will be nice to wear this fall. And it was on sale, so I wanted to get it right now. I ordered an extra large, which it just depends on the brand, because I wear a large in the Gildan and that fits me comfortably, so I didn't know how this ran. So I saw that they had some knockoff Victoria's Secret clothes, and I thought that was great for cleaning and just lounging around the house, because they're actually kind of spendy over at Victoria's Secret. So I always love me a good knockoff. Okay, so these are really see-through for sure. That's the first thing I will say. Like, you can see me. As far as the shorts go, they're really long, but they're nothing like the material that you get from Victoria's Secret, which that's okay. I wasn't expecting. I ordered extra large. So the shirt's really cute, really comfy. I really like the shirt. It's an extra large, so to me, I don't think you can order different sizes for the bottoms and the top. I think it's a pair, but that's a problem that I always run into. I always have to order a different top than a bottom. It's just the way it is for swimsuits. It's just the way it is for me, so I don't really blame the brand too much when I run into that issue. I don't know, I really think this is actually a cute and comfy set. This wasn't very much. This will be cute to lounge in, but I for sure love this top. It's lightweight. It's definitely the material that I like and I can clean in. It's not heavy. And so I ordered an extra large. I guess this would be cute with leggings since I ordered it a little too big, but that's okay. I still think it's really cute. It's just a little cute t-shirt. I like the buttons. Ooh, I like this. It's flowy. Has really cute. It's a really cute top. I thought this would look cute just as is for a summer top, or if you were going to work, you could put a little jacket over it and it could be really cute with some dress pants. Okay, moving on. Tops. I actually had a top like this that I like, almost identical in black, of course, and I wore it all the time when I worked in a restaurant. Another one of those shirts that I feel like you could dress up or wear it with some jeans. You could wear it with some dress pants. It's really cute. The model was wearing it, I think, with white pants, which I could never, but this would look really cute with white. I feel like this is another shirt that you could wear in the summer or wear to work with a nice dress jacket over it. Woo, I love cheetah. I think this is just like a swimsuit cover or just like a cover in general, but I love anything cheetah, so we'll see what this looks like. This top was just so adorable. We'll see what it looks like on, but so far, I'm loving this one. It's got like a cinch in the back. This I hope looks good. See, this one runs, I think this I ordered in an extra large, and it's looking like it's a little bit more like every other size for extra large. So we'll see it when it's on. I like just simple t-shirts. I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of gal. So see, this one is so cute, and I ordered a extra large in it, and this is one that I'm glad I sized up on. I could just tell by looking at it that I needed to size up, and I'm glad I did already. I haven't even tried it on, and I can tell I'm glad I sized up on this one. It definitely needs to be steamed out, but I thought that this would be cute with a jacket over it, and tucked in big, but we'll see when it's on. Nope, not today. This is me like every day. Oh, this is a 1X. So this is really cute. It's super soft, not too heavy. And I thought this would look cute with some shorts or some jeans. So can't wait to try that on. Ooh, I got a pack of socks. Always need socks. So I was happy to see that they have like the thin socks. Okay, so I ordered these for my daughter. Cargo like capris that, I don't know if you guys remember these, but I had these when I was a kid and they're back in style and my daughter's like really excited. They're cute. I ordered extra large of the pink. I like the tops from this shop on Temu. All of the tops are really cute. And it came with some matching shorts. This one's really cute too. Can you tell I like black? Oh my gosh. Oh, I tried to get away from my black, but apparently I can't. This is really cute. This is like workout material, it feels like. And I love me some cheetah. I love cheetah so much. Cheetah-licious. The shorts are like, they're not, maybe they're spandex-y. They're a little bit more like workout material. I don't know. I'm bad at explaining what material it is. I thought this would look really cute with some shorts or some jeans, some capris, really anything. Simple but cute tops. I love feathers. It came in different colors, but this is the one that I chose. And this is a 1X, and this is one that I'm glad I sized up on. Because to me, this is an extra large, not a 1X, in my opinion, but we'll see it on. Yep, so that's everything. I'm gonna start trying it on now. So this one's really cute. I like it. I like that it's flowy. I definitely need to wear a different bra with it. I just think that this is a really cute top. I like this top. This is cute. It's really comfy. I like how it's flowy. I love the loose front. This is definitely a cute top. I am sweating to death, but I absolutely love this top. It kind of pops open. You want to wear like an undershirt if you're not comfortable with that, but it's really flowy and lightweight. It looks cute with the sleeves up. This could be cute with jeans, with leggings, dress pants. You could wear this to work. So this is a definite yes for me. It comes in other colors, so I'm definitely going to get it in other colors. I had one that was similar to this that I got from TJ Maxx, and it was black and it looked just like this, and it was a little bit tighter. It's a little big, but I feel like even tucked in, it would look really good. This is just a really cute t-shirt. My camera's backwards, but the material is really soft. If you don't like your shirts tight, then I would order a size up. Frills are definitely cute. I liked that on the shirt. I probably could have sized up. Once I tucked it in, I really liked it. It's a really comfortable material. It runs big in my opinion. If you don't like it tucked in, you don't have to tuck it in. But for me, this is just too big. So far, I'm liking everything that is the pink, but I am liking the way that the shirts are fitting. So far, I am pleasantly surprised with all the Temu shirts. Another good shirt. The soft material, lightweight and stretchy. So this is another yes top. I like the design. I would just have to wear a different bra. So yeah, this is a really cute sweatshirt, and it'll be comfy to clean in. It's like it's not like the Gildan ones at all, but it's fitted. Really soft material. I feel like I'm saying that about everything, but this is a nice flowy, light, soft top, and it's really unique. Another cute black top. Can't really go wrong with black. I love black, and I love t-shirts. I like this top. It needs ironed like everything. The little buckles are cute. I feel like this would look good tucked in. It would look good with dress pants. It would look good with shorts, white capris. Definitely looks good out, but I feel like it would look good tucked in as well. This is a little different, but it's cheetah, so I love it. I just kind of wish I could pin it. Okay guys, that's all for this Temu clothing haul. Please let me know down below what you thought of the haul. I loved everything, and there were some shirts that I probably could have sized down on and some that I could have sized up on, but overall I'm really happy. So if you are going to order, use my link down below, and don't forget to just use the code at checkout so that way you can get that $100 worth of coupons. So let me know if you've ordered for your husband, or if you have ordered for your children, and what you think of the clothing. And let me know if you're going to order any of the clothing that I ordered. But that is all for this video, you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this, if you want me to do more try-on hauls. I will have a thrifting video coming up shortly. I'm not sure if this video will go up before my cleaning video, or if my cleaning video is already up. I'm not sure yet, but please drop a comment down below saying hello, and I will catch you in the next one.